Want to unlock a secret perk that makes every Target run even better? It's the Target Employee Discount, giving you 10% off eligible purchases. But how do you actually get your hands on this awesome deal? Let's break it down, step by step. Step 1. Become a Target team member. You've got to be a current employee to qualify for the discount. So if you're not already part of the team, head to the Target Careers website and apply for a position that interests you. Step 2. Receive your team member discount card once you're hired. You'll receive your very own discount card. This is your golden ticket to savings. Make sure to keep it in a safe place as you will need it every time you shop. Step 3. Use your discount card in store when you're checking out at your local Target. Simply present your team member discount card to the cashier before they start scanning your items. They'll scan the card, and your 10% discount will be automatically applied to all eligible items. Step 4. Use your discount online. To use your discount online, you'll need to register your team member number on Target.com. Once you've done that, the discount will automatically apply to your online orders during checkout. No code needed. Remember, the Target employee discount applies to most items, but there are some exclusions, like certain electronics and gift cards. So be sure to check the fine print now. You are ready to enjoy those Target runs.